Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope all are well. Today, we will make a very special, very amazing, and tasty Chana Chaat. This is that Chana Chaat, which is very tasty to eat. When we give texture to the curd, and also when we make sweet curd, then this Chana Chaat will be very amazing. You must try it in this Iftar in this Ramadan. First of all, we have to take boiled chickpeas. I had soaked the chickpeas in water overnight. And then in the morning, I got up and boiled them. Now they should be boiled so well that the chickpeas burst when touched. Okay, now let's keep them aside. Now we have to take curd in a bowl. Here we have taken a cup of curd. And now we will add a teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You might be surprised, but whoever of you has eaten the Chana Chaat, the curd in it is mildly sweet like this. Now, obviously, the curd won't be too sweet with a TSP sugar, but a little flavor will become sweet, so it tastes very good in the chaat. Now mix this well and keep it aside. Now we mix all the things. We will take a big bowl in which we will mix all the things, and first of all, we will put the chickpeas in it. Here I have taken a bowl of boiled potatoes. I have boiled one big potato and cooled it well before boiling it. I had put a little food color in it so that its color and look comes out very beautiful. I have chopped a medium-sized onion very finely and added it. Well, you should not directly cut the onion and add it. First, chop it well and soak it in cold water. What will happen by soaking it is that the chaat will become very crispy. To some extent, its bitterness will also go away. I have taken out one tomato and put it here. I have cut it into small pieces as well. I have taken half a cucumber and chopped it and put it here. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the vegetables as per your requirement. If you want to like it more, you can put more of it as well. I have cut 2 to 3 green chilies into small pieces and added them. A little green coriander and some mint leaves. I will break the mint leaves with my hands and add them. The flavor and aroma from this is very nice. Put 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder in the chaat. You can do it more or less as per your choice. If you like it more spicy, you can increase its quantity as well. I have taken half a teaspoon of black salt. I have taken simple white salt, half a teaspoon of this as well. Black salt, it is essential for this chaat, and it gives a very nice salty flavor. Along with this, we will add cumin powder. I have made powder of roasted cumin seeds. We have added half a teaspoon cumin powder here. You all know the aroma of cumin. If it is lightly roasted, then its aroma gets enhanced a lot. I have added 3 tablespoons of tamarind chutney. Everyone knows how to make tamarind chutney. I have also prepared it and kept it ready, so we have used the same one here properly. Now, first of all, let us mix all the things here itself. By the way, making tamarind sauce is very easy. I soaked the tamarind in hot water. I squeezed out its pulp well, then cooked it for some time. By adding salt, red chili, and a little sugar, our delicious sweet and sour sauce is ready. Now all the chickpeas and vegetables are mixed well here. The spices that we had added are also mixed well. Now we will add curd in it, which we had prepared and kept aside in the beginning. Well, for this chaat, the curd should be thick. Too thin curd will not taste good for this. If the curd is thick, then this chaat will taste very good. We will mix it well. Well, this is thick curd in front of you. And now where we have mixed the chaat, it should not become too thin. It should not become watery. Now we will add the remaining curd as well. Curd is used less in this, but there should be thick curd. Then it will give a very saucy look with it, and it is also very tasty to eat. So that's it. This spicy and delicious curd chaat of ours is ready. We take it out in a serving bowl, pour the remaining curd on top, and serve. You have to do it in the same way. Save a little curd and pour it on top at the end. Add a little tamarind sauce. The thing which has a good presentation, believe me, it will taste very delicious to eat as well. Good presentation is very important. At the end, put papdi on it and sprinkle a little chaat masala on it. Here, our amazing Iftar special Chana chaat is ready. With this, we end the video here. If you liked our video today, then you must subscribe to the channel and also like and share the video. Thank you for watching the video.